Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to move the Downloads folder to another hard drive on Windows. First, right-click on the Downloads folder and choose Properties. Switch to the Location tab and click on Move. Next, select the new drive and click on Select Folder. After that, click on Apply and OK. Click Yes to confirm transferring files to the new drive. Click on Start and select Settings. Continue to click on System. Click on Storage and click on Change where new content is saved. Change to the new drive and click Apply. After setting up, your downloaded items will automatically be saved to the new drive. First, open your browser. In this video, we use the Chrome. Next, click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Continue to select Settings. In the Downloads section, select Change. Click to select the new folder containing the downloaded file using the File Explorer window. Then, click the Select Folder button. With this quick and simple guide, you can change your download folder and avoid the issue of running out of storage.